Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Windows 11 security settings with Windows Security, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Windows 11 security settings, start by clicking on the Start menu located on your taskbar. Type Windows Security in the search box. Select the Windows Security app from the search results. Once the Windows Security app opens, you will see the main dashboard. Look for the Virus and Threat Protection option. Click on it to access the virus and threat protection settings. In this section, check for any notifications or actions needed. Under the Current Threats section, click on Scan options. Here, you can choose to run a quick scan or a full scan. Select the type of scan you prefer and click the Scan Now button. After the scan is complete, review the results. If threats are detected, follow the prompts to take action. Return to the main dashboard by clicking on the back arrow. Next, click on the Account Protection option. Ensure that your account security features are turned on. Scroll down to check for any security recommendations. Then click on Firewall and Network Protection. Confirm that the firewall is enabled for your active networks. Next, navigate to the App and Browser Controls section. Here, ensure that all relevant security settings are activated. Then go to Device Security to check for any hardware security features. Review the status of each feature listed. Next, click on the Family options if you manage multiple accounts. Set up parental controls or family safety settings as needed. Finally, return to the main Windows Security dashboard. Make sure all areas show that your device is secure. Close the Windows Security app. Your Windows 11 security settings are now updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.